Alex, where did you go?
Why, Rose? What happened?
I don't understand what is going on.
Any big problem you have?
Not only a big problem, it is very frustrating.
What happened? Can you tell me?
My father is admitted in the hospital.
Oh, it is too bad. Where is the hospital?
It is near my village.
Don't worry, we will go there together.
I was waiting for you for so long.
I'm sorry, I came as fast as I could.
I feel so scared right now.
Don't worry, I am here with you.
Everything is happening so suddenly.
Stay calm and tell me everything.
My mother also has a fever now.
That is very difficult for you.
I don't know how to manage all this.
We will handle it step by step.
My brother is too young to understand.
Yes, he needs your care now.
My sister is worried about school.
I will help you take care of her.
I have no money for hospital bills.
Don't worry, we will find a way.
I feel like crying all the time.
It's okay, you can cry.
Why is everything happening to me?
Sometimes life is very hard.
I feel completely alone.
You are not alone. I am here.
I didn't sleep last night.
You need some rest.
I am very worried about my father.
He will be okay. Stay hopeful.
The doctor asked for more money.
I will try to arrange something.
I don't want to trouble you.
You are not troubling me.
You are my only support now.
I will never leave you.
Thank you for coming.
I will always come for you.
I feel very tired inside.
You have been very strong.
I can't stop thinking.
Try to stay calm.
What should I do now?
First, we go to the hospital.
Will everything be okay?
Yes, we will try our best.
I am losing hope.
Don't lose hope.
Everything feels broken.
We will fix it slowly.
I wish I was stronger.
You are already strong.
I'm scared of tomorrow.
Tomorrow will be better.
My mother needs medicine.
We will buy it today.
I don't know how to thank you.
Just stay strong.
I feel better talking to you.
I'm happy to hear that.
Can you come with me?
Yes, I will come.
I don't want to go alone.
You don't have to.
I feel nervous to see my father.
Be brave.
I hope he recovers soon.
I hope so too.
I am trying to stay positive.
That is good.
Thank you for understanding me.
I always understand you.
You are like my family.
You are my family too.
I feel a little strong now.
That's good.
Let's go now.
Yes, let's go.
I feel nervous on the way.
Don't worry, I am here.
What if something goes wrong?
Stay positive.
I trust you.
I will not break your trust.
I wish this pain ends soon.
It will pass.
I want my family to be happy.
That day will come.
I feel weak, but I will try.
That is enough.
I'm thankful to you.
I am always here.
Life feels very hard.
Hard days will pass.
I'm trying not to cry.
It's okay if you cry.
I want to be strong.
You are strong.
I feel a little hope now.
That is good.
Your words help me.
I'm glad.
I was feeling lost before.
Now you are better.
I don't feel alone now.
Because I am with you.
Thank you for staying.
I will stay.
I want to help my family.
You are helping them.
I will not give up.
That's good.
I feel stronger now.
I can see that.
Let's face everything together.
Yes, together.
I am ready now.
I am with you.
I will take care of my family.
I will support you.
I believe things will change.
Yes, they will.
I am not afraid now.
That is great.
I feel brave now.
Keep that courage.
I will handle everything.
Step by step.
I am ready for tomorrow.
Tomorrow will be better.
I will stay hopeful.
Hope is strong.
Let's go see my father.
Yes, let's go together.
Alex, why were you not answering my calls?
I am sorry. I was on the way to you.
I was getting very worried.
I understand. I am here now.
Everything feels out of control.
Tell me slowly. I'm listening.
My father suddenly became very weak.
That must be very scary for you.
We took him to the hospital quickly.
You did the right thing.
I didn't know what to do at that time.
You handled it well.
I feel so confused right now.
It's okay to feel like that.
My hands are still shaking.
Try to relax a little.
My mother is also not feeling well.
That makes it even harder.
I have too many responsibilities now.
You don't have to do it alone.
My little brother keeps asking questions.
He needs comfort from you.
My sister is crying again and again.
I will help you calm her.
We are running out of money.
We will arrange something.
I feel like everything is falling apart.
Stay strong. I'm with you.
I can't stop my tears.
Let them come. It's okay.
Why is life testing me like this?
Tough times come to everyone.
I feel very helpless.
You are not helpless.
I stayed awake all night.
You need to rest a little.
I am scared for my father.
Keep hope in your heart.
The hospital expenses are increasing.
I will help you manage them.
I don't want to ask for help.
It's okay to ask sometimes.
You always stand by me.
I always will.
Thank you for coming so fast.
You needed me.
I feel very weak mentally.
You are stronger than you think.
My mind is full of fear.
Try to stay calm.
What should be our next step?
Let's visit the doctor first.
Do you think he will recover?
Yes, stay positive.
I am losing my strength.
Hold on. Don't give up.
Everything seems dark.
Light will come soon.
I wish things were normal again.
They will be one day.
My mother needs rest too.
We will take care of her.
I don't know how to thank you.
Your smile is enough.
Talking to you gives me peace.
I am always here to listen.
Will you stay with me?
Yes, I will stay.
I don't feel safe alone.
You are safe with me.
I am afraid to hear bad news.
Stay brave.
I want my father to be fine.
He will fight this.
I am trying to stay hopeful.
That is the right way.
You understand my pain.
Because I care for you.
You are very important to me.
You are important to me too.
I feel a little relaxed now.
That's good to hear.
Let's go to the hospital now.
Yes, let's go.
I feel nervous on the road.
Stay close to me.
What if things get worse?
Think positive.
I believe in you.
I won't disappoint you.
I hope this pain ends soon.
It will fade away.
I want my family to smile again.
That day will come soon.
I feel tired, but I won't stop.
That is your strength.
I am grateful for you.
I am always by your side.
Life is so challenging.
Challenges make us strong.
I am holding my tears.
You can let them out.
I want to stay strong.
You already are.
I feel hope again.
That's a good sign.
Your support means a lot.
I am happy to help.
I was very lost before.
Now you are steady.
I feel safe with you.
I will protect you.
Thank you for everything.
Always welcome.
I want to support my family.
You are doing it well.
I won't lose hope now.
That's the spirit.
I feel stronger inside.
I can see your courage.
Let's face all problems together.
Together always.
I am ready to fight this.
I am with you.
I will take responsibility now.
I will support you fully.
I believe things will improve.
Yes, they surely will.
I am not scared anymore.
That is wonderful.
I feel brave in my heart.
Keep that feeling.
I will handle this situation.
One step at a time.
I am ready for the future.
The future will be better.
I will stay positive.
Positivity gives strength.
Let's go and meet my father.
Yes, I am with you always.